I have over 40 bots, that is binary trading bots, that are actually on my PC. I can just give you them for free. It's just free. I'll just give you your access. It just doesn't matter what you just do with them. Just WhatsApp me and I will just give you those free bots. It does not matter what you just do with them. It's your own thing. So just WhatsApp me. I'll just give you the Google Drive link, and then you just download them, and then just have them on your PC. Test them, do whatever you just want. It's just free. Maybe you just be just one condition that you just need over there. What is the difference between the binary bot and forex trading? That is what you just have to know there. When it comes to risk, what do you have between there? What can you choose actually over there? Yes, I have all those things. You have seen people selling this bot, calling it 99% win rate, 80%, whatever percentages. But why do you always people lose money and they are actually 90%? I've been a trader from 2018, that is 5 years now. So, and not only I've traded crypto, I've traded binary, I've traded forex, and finally I'm in forex full time. And these things I can just give you this free advice for free. I have told you already I have over 40, but you will just see that. Just WhatsApp me, my number is on bio, and make sure that you actually follow me. That is one of the conditions over there. Now, let's say that your account is actually reading some balances over there, and what do you choose between forex and binary? I think the reason so many people choose binary is because it is very easy to enter into and start trading over there, compared to forex. You have to master what you are doing. You have to master fundamental analysis, technical analysis so well. But when it comes to binary trading, some people actually maybe will trade over 6, over 2. Which number prediction are we just going to be having? And even those things. Buy 2 things, rise 4, buy. Those 2 things are the ones that actually so many people choose because they just want to have very easy things. And that's why they end up actually losing a lot of money. So you lose a lot of money because you want a very easy things and very fast thing that you can just master. But Forex can take you months before you master what is just going on there. That's why you choose. And the less effort you put in something, you don't expect a very big result. So that is what makes the forex and binary so different. So it is either you choose forex or binary, because I think if you start with the binary trading, there's high possibilities that you never come to forex trading or anything else, because you actually have known that these things is about losing. And the moment you just stay over the binary, in the binary trading you can make millions in one day, and all those things. You can multiply your account even $10 in seconds, money in seconds. So after that mentality, then you bring that mentality to forex. You want to make a lot of money, and the market is actually very volatile. You have been making money in seconds. Now forex, you have to be patient. You have to place your trend, maybe it run 2 days, 12 hours, all that. So that's why I'm saying that it is almost people trade binary. If you've started with binary trading, then it's just going to give you you're not going even to venture into forex, because patient is just going to not there for you. So if you are planning to start anything in forex trading, just start with forex. What if for the people who actually come to trade in the stock market? You cannot, because when you invest in stock, you can wait even 1 week to witness a good move, to have a good profit over there. Something like crypto. In the crypto, you have even to wait. You invest in the Bitcoin, maybe it was at 20,000. Now the Bitcoin is reading 30,000. Maybe you have to wait 2 months. That patient you cannot. So that's how binary, because it is something about it's betting. So it's like betting, where you just have to place this or this, 50%. all those things. But at the end of it, why? There's something I always ask myself. There's something I always ask myself. If this industry is not manipulated, if this industry is not manipulated about the binary, why is it that when you leave the boat to run, maybe sometimes it's just going to blow your account? You're going to lose money at the end of it. And sometimes you ask yourself, sometimes you can select the number to differ. You can select the boat to select. There's something I witnessed very crazy. You select the boat to differ, those differ to select from 0 to 9, but the boat has to select a random number, and then the computer will just select any number. If they match, you lose. If they differ, you win. Okay. Now, how comes that the computer will just select first time it matches with the computer? The boat select maybe 2, and then the market select at the end there's 2. And then the computer again selects 0, and then the market produces 0. And then the bot produces 6, and then the computer produces 6. 3 times to 4 times, that is crazy. It's something that cannot happen. Very common. It's not common. Si kitu common. Hii si kitu common. Unaona? Hata ile inaitangwa tatua tatu, kwangi hivyo, tatua tatu, it take time, man. It take time. You cannot select 3 numbers to match when they are following each other, and you are selecting random numbers, okay? Unless maybe there is some manipulation. These people actually, maybe they have machines that they know what you are people doing. We are in darkness. Those people actually trained on the binary. You don't know these things. They can just allow. Why are you making money for the first time? You make money some days. But when it comes to maybe when you are about to get out of the market, your money is gone. And actually, when you actually leave the boat to trade so many times in the demo account, then now at the end, that is when you realize you are losing. But when you are starting, hey, you make a lot of money. Yeah, so that is how you just realize about this. But the beauty of Forex is that if the gold is actually going at 1980, the gold is 1980 in all the platforms, in all the brokers, and you can actually view that and know this is the price. There's no manipulations out there. So that is the importance of Forex trading. You can leave the market to go as long as you want, as long the market can be doing negative 100, but this does not mean you are in losses. The market, you can be in negative, trading negative $100, but does not mean you are in loss. It means simply you are in the negative side, but not in loss, because you go to loss when you close your trend, unless maybe you enter risk management and it eat your stop loss. So that is the beauty of Forex trading. Okay, so I think Forex trading is one of the things that requires a lot than all things, but there's some beauty in it. I can leave my trains running and I just go to work. On the binary, you have to sit there. It's either you make the moment you just actually sit on your desk. It is either you make money or lose money at that hour. Lazima either upengeneze pesa ama lose money. So that is the thing that you have to realize over there. I know this is a conversation that is more into people actually trained on the binary. I'm sorry, but yeah, that is the truth. So for me, actually, binary thing, if you choose to go to the binary thing, there's possibility you'll never come back again to Forex. You'll never come to Forex. You'll never trend Forex, actually, because all those things you'll just be missing out. Start Forex trading, and if you want my mentorship, I'm not promoting myself over here. Just find someone who can teach Forex trading. It's beautiful and nice over there. And actually, if you wanted to start Forex trading, stop paying for many I've made a playlist of videos that I've made in classes. I've recorded them. Just go to the YouTube, click one of my videos over there. Down one on the description, you see the top list over there. Start with video number 1 up to the end, and then you see the result over there. And just go and camp somewhere and decide, this week I'm going to go through all this video. Aunisaidia, unajisaidia. Go through all those videos and write, tafuta kitabu, find a book that is undercover and write all those notes. Thank me later. Adios, see you next time. Bye. This is Dan. Bye bye. You can find me on all social media. at Dantech. Adios.